The Granitestone 10-inch non-stick frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It makes cooking easier and cleanup a breeze. This pan features a diamond coating. This coating prevents food from sticking, and it makes cooking more enjoyable. You can cook eggs, pancakes, and even fish without any hassle. The blue color adds a nice touch to your countertop. Plus, the Stay Cool handle ensures your safety while you cook. This Granitestone 10-inch non-stick frying pan is also very durable. It is made with stainless steel. This makes it resistant to corrosion. You can use it on all stovetops, including induction. It's even oven and dishwasher safe. This adds to its convenience. The pan's edge is smooth, and the overall piece feels solid. Forget about scrubbing stuck on food because this pan cleans up easily. It truly shines in a busy kitchen. If you are looking for a reliable non-stick skillet, the Granitestone 10-inch non-stick frying pan is a fantastic choice. It offers excellent performance and durability without exaggeration. It simplifies cooking and cleaning. This pan is a valuable piece for anyone who loves to cook. It's a smart buy for your kitchen, and it won't disappoint. Pros: non-stick, diamond coating, non-stick skillet, stainless steel, for cooking, induction pan. Stay Cool handle, oven safe, dishwasher safe, blue colored 10-inch size, frying pan. Cons: may scratch with utensils, not ideal for high heat, some say food still sticks. Durability could be better, coating may degrade, uneven heating possible, handle might get hot. Questionable long-term use features: non-stick surface, diamond coating, stainless steel, induction ready. Stay Cool handle, oven safe, dishwasher safe, even heating, durable build, easy cleanup. This 10-inch Granitestone frying pan has a non-stick surface with a diamond coating. It is made of stainless steel and can be used on induction cooktops. The handle stays cool while cooking. This pan is safe to put in the oven and dishwasher. It heats food evenly, is built to last, and is easy to clean. This 10-inch blue Granitestone frying pan has a non-stick surface with a diamond coating and a stainless steel base, making it suitable for all stovetops, including induction. It features a Stay Cool handle and is oven and dishwasher safe for easy use and cleaning. However, the non-stick coating may scratch with utensils, and the pan is not ideal for high heat. Some users have reported that food can still stick, and there are concerns about its long-term durability and potential for uneven heating, with the handle possibly getting hot.